Yo, what is up, y'all? This is Kyle's Body and Brain Tips. My tip today is a review on the Truelive gummies. That is the gel infused gummies. Let me get them. Hold on one second. But my whole review is if y'all don't like smoking cannabis or using it in any other form like vaping or like say you don't want to cook it in your house or you're not allowed to grow it in your state or you don't want your house to smell, I'd highly recommend these gummies from Truly. Let me show you what the container looks like. Sorry, I had to go find it. Right here, y'all. Right here. It's called Sweet Talk Cannabis Infused Gels. Contains THC. I wouldn't condone the use of any drug on this channel. I am just telling you my advice and input from my experience with these gummies. They really work good if you microdose them. They come in 10 milligrams a piece, THC. So, honestly, if you want to take one, two, it's all up to you. That's my whole saying on that. But these right here are a better alternative to smoking. Like I said, if you want smoke in your lungs and you don't want any lung problems, or you want your cardio to be good and all that good stuff, and you want to still have a herbal medicine besides taking pills, again, right here, we got this one's blue raspberry, um, gels, and it's an indica. They got sativa, they got hybrid, and they got indica. And the one that works the best for me is the indica. Indica will have you mellowed out, relaxed, no pain, no anxiety, no stress, but no fear, none of that. But if you buy sativa, you might have like a anxious response where you're manic and you're talking nonstop and and too much energy. But some people like that to go to work. They'll smoke a sativa or take one of these gummies of sativa before they go to work. It gives them the energy boost throughout the day. Or the indica at nighttime to relax and go to sleep. But for me, it doesn't put me to sleep. It helps me mellow out where I could speak normally to y'all in here or in people in person, face to face. But anyway, my whole input is if you like cannabis and you have a medical marijuana card in Florida, highly recommend you try these lovely gummies made by Truly called Sweet Talk Cannabis Infused Gels. Little gummies, and they taste good. So, there's my review. Buy some indica gummies and get away from the vapes and the smoke if you can. And don't do drugs. Drugs are bad, okay? Unless you are using them medically and have a card for the marijuana and all the other medicines, unless you're getting those from a doctor or physician and they accept it and all that. Anyway, I hope you got something off this review. Have a good Friday. And once again, try the indica gummies out for me, please, and let me know the comment section of what they did to you and what your experience is with these. Thank you. Have a good day, y'all.